It won't work because in order to use the wheelchair, you have to pull it out. But I think if we put it away, it'll break the wheelchair.
No, just get over here, put it back in my car before I lose my fucking engine, please.
Ow!
Well, you hit stuff in my freaking brand new engine. Did you stall it?
You need to come back. We accidentally just put the swap engine, and it's not in my car, it's in the fucking wheelchair.
You die.
No.
Come back.
It's so hard to control.
Did you stall it?
No, I did
How
not.
fast are you going in that wheel?
I hit 75. It's the fastest I got it up to.
Okay, put it back in my car.
Okay.
Leave it up there. I'll take it from the wheelchair there.
Okay. That's amazing.
So it's pretty much.
So I heard you want to go fast, so I put a super engine in your.
So wait, hold on. I wonder if I stole a car, if I could swap it into that. It'd be very broken.
Uh-oh.
Oh my, no.
It's a local car.
No.
God.
So I have to push it back and then restart.
Wait, what?
So I think she's gonna park it.
Leave your wheelchair right there for now.
Yeah, just
Will
stay
do.
out with the wheelchair.
Yeah, I'm not putting it away.
You might need a new wheelchair.
Nah, that one's perfect. You guys, we just did the most broken thing ever.
You have a Subaru engine swap wheelchair.
No, the
Guys,
engine's not.
is anybody there?
Should I call Nolan about that one?
Yes, you need to.
We
get
just did the
Nolan over
most
here
broken
now.
thing ever. So we were at Nismo's, and they pulled SK's engine. Well, when they put SK's engine back in the car, apparently in my wheelchair, even though it was like 10 feet away, went into my wheelchair. So I have an engine swapped wheelchair. That goes like 85 miles an hour.
That car that you worked on. The wheelchair was too close in the engine.
Tell him it's engine swap. Philip, come back. Stop.
I'll be right back.
Philip.
I'm only going to the parking lot.
I'm serious. Like, no one's coming down here. This is a bigger issue now. Over here.
I'm serious. I need to buy every single thing. Now, like, I'm serious.
It's not. Philip, it's,
Yeah, it's amazing.
Try and give me keys.
I'll try.
okay, you now have a Subaru swap. Turn to the brakes.
I'm never.
This bitch don't turn.
It sounds like a Subaru.
You're definitely gonna have a blast.
That's amazing. Do you not hear it? It's just ripping down the road.